The first one here, we have some onions, you see here, okay? You chop them into small pieces like this. And the next one here, we have some spring onions, you see over here, right? The next one, we have some carrot, you see here. You also chop them into small pieces like this. And the next one here, we have some noodle, you see over here, okay? This one is the rice noodle or the glass noodle, okay? You can see right now the noodle very soft, okay? But the dry noodle, when they are dry, they are very stiff and hot. So to make them soft like this, you put them in the cold water, around 3 to 5 minutes. When they become softer, you cut them, okay, into small pieces like this. And the next one here, we have some mushroom, you see over here, okay? Yeah. We have two kind of mushroom. The first one here, we call that wood ear mushroom. Because this comes from wood and has the shape like the ear, okay? And the next one here, we have perfume mushroom, okay? Because this one has very nice smell, like fragrance. We call that perfume mushroom. The same like the noodle. When the mushroom dry, they are very stiff and hot. So to make them soft like this, you put them all in the hot water, around 5 minutes. When they become bigger and softer, you clean them and then you chop them into some small pieces like this. Okay. And the next one here, we have some eggs. You see here, right? We have total 6 eggs. Okay. And they're all chicken eggs. And you see the chef, he just put the egg yolk inside, right? Just the yellow one inside. And outside here, we have just small bowl here. Do you know what are they? The thing in the bowl here. Yeah, egg white. Okay, yeah. But we don't put together. We keep all later. Okay, so I will leave them outside here. And the next one here, we have some spice. You see over here. Okay. The first one here is sugar. Here. Oh, look at here. We have some black pepper. You can see like it here. And salt. And the last one here, okay, we have some meat. You see here. Do you know what kind of meat here? Pork, exactly. Okay. So we put together. And in the group, one portion. Okay, yeah, don't take meat. And there are 2 more. Okay, don't take pork. That's why in the kitchen, the chef will make the spring roll for you. Okay, yeah. Here for everyone. Okay, so now we're gonna mix them all together, right? Keep mixing them, okay? Yeah. Mixing them all together. Right. Okay. So after mixing them all together, we have got a mixture like this, you see, right? And then combine together, right? So now the chef will show you the way the Vietnamese people we roll the spring roll. Okay. Look at it carefully. And let me tell you the reason why. Keep the egg white here. This is the last one, right? Yeah. And this is the cover, the spring roll. And please tell me, do you know what is it?
Rice paper?
Yeah, exactly. This is the rice paper, right? But you know, this one is the Vietnamese rice paper. You can find this everywhere in Vietnam, but not outside. You can't find this, okay, yeah, outside Vietnam. Because this one only in Vietnam. We're making here, okay? And for this one, you can see right now it's very thin, right? And it's soft a little bit, right? And a bit dry as well, okay? So for this one, when you make the spring roll, right way, okay? And then when you keep rolling all the way down until the end, it's gonna be broken easily. That's why before rolling, we can take a bit of egg white here, okay? We put on the rice paper to soften it. So when you roll, it won't be broken anymore. Some tourists, when they came here, and they asked me that at home, okay? Sometimes they made the spring roll, but they couldn't find a thing like this in their country. Because in their country, they found the similar one. It's a bit thicker and harder. So that one, before rolling, they have to put in the water, right, to soften it. But here, we don't use the water, okay, because this one very thin. It can come and touch and feel, okay? Yeah, very thin, right? This one very different, okay? Yeah. So you can make it dry way, or you can take egg white, okay, to soften it, right? So now the chef will show you, okay, yeah, how to do it. All right. Firstly, we take one slice of the rice paper, put on the plate, and then just by the finger, we take a little bit of egg white, okay? Not too much, okay? Otherwise, it's gonna be so sticky. Then it take 1 spoon of the mixture, put on the rice paper, okay? Put in the middle of the rice paper, and then arrange the mixture like the finger, okay? Make it a bit longer like the finger, and then you fold the side in, fold the left and the right side in, slowly and equally, right? Okay. You see, right? The side must be even, like this. Okay. So when you roll, gonna be better. And so the shape of the spring roll will be very nice. So now you roll up, all right? Yeah, and then keep rolling all the way down until the end. Okay, and now you see the spring roll, right? Very nice. Thank you, chef. Okay, so everyone, our chef, he just showed you how to make this, the Vietnamese fried spring roll. Okay, and in Vietnam we call it nem. Spelling N-E-M, nem. Okay, and nowadays when it comes to Vietnam, you can find this everywhere, from the north down to the south of Vietnam. Okay, because this one is the famous, okay, traditional food in Vietnam. You must try when you come here. So we just learn how to make this. Now time to practice. Please come closer and give it a try. Okay, you can make them yourself.